Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Lakshman Barsani. I'm senior neonatologist at Ankara Hospital, Nagar, and he's my colleague Dr. Vinay. Both are neonatologists here, and we would like to share one post of a surgical neonate whom we have managed recently. This baby of Gayatri was a 35-weeker, born on the 1st of November at Nalgonda, and was referred to us in view of severe respiratory distress. Baby had severe respiratory problem requiring almost 100% oxygen, and baby was admitted at 12 hours of age. And the first chest X-ray showed right-sided diaphragmatic hernia. That is, the intestinal loops were on the right side of the chest, and the total mediastinum, including the heart, was shifted to the left side. The baby required ventilation. Baby was on high-frequency ventilation for 48 hours. And once the baby's condition has stabilized, baby was taken up for surgery on the third, that is after 48 hours. It took almost 3.5 hours for the surgery, and baby came out in a very unstable condition. Baby was in shock and had severe metabolic acidosis. We continued ventilation for next 48 to 72 hours, and baby was also started on inotropes. Baby had severe pulmonary hypertension, that is, the blood pressure in the lungs was very high, requiring very high oxygen requirement. And baby was managed with pulmonary vasodilators, that is acetylphenone and Bosentan, as well as inotropes, adrenaline and normetrol. We started baby on full nutrition, artificial nutrition, that is TPN, we call it as IB protein and lipids from second post-op day, and subsequent course was relatively stable. And baby, we started feeds on day 4, day 5 post-op day, and baby reached full feeds on day 12 of life, and baby remained off oxygen from day 17 of life. And presently baby is gaining weight. Birth weight was 2.2 kilo, baby is now 2.6 kilo. Baby is off oxygen, baby is on full feeds. The sutures have been removed and the scar is healthy, and baby is in a good condition. And I request my colleague Dr. Vinay to add on this.
Good afternoon, everyone. Baby of Gayatri actually came in the night around 12 o'clock that day, and I was on the call for that day. And as soon as the registrar has sent me the X-ray, we were really surprised to see the diagnosis. And I immediately rushed to the hospital, and I have stabilized the baby after putting the baby on mechanical ventilator, and started IV sildenafil for persistent pulmonary hypertension of newborn. Initial pressures were very high, and baby required HFOV ventilation also. So, and soon after surgery, baby was actually very unstable, with baby requiring more than 2 inotropes for the function of normal BP and heart function. And finally, we could able to meticulously take care of the baby, and we could able to discharge the baby by 21 days. And in this regard, we would like to thank our surgical team and our nursing team, our registrars, and our pediatric cardiologist who has helped thoroughly in this case. And we were very happy that we could able to give very healthy and normal kind of a baby to the parents. And we would also like to thank all the donors who actually donated the whatever amount they could, which was actually helpful for this baby's management. And I would like to thank our management also for complete support they had given to us, which had actually helped the baby very much. Thanks a lot.
నమస్కారం అండి. నాకు 1వ తారీఖున అబ్బాయి పుట్టాడు. వారిని నేను అంకుర హాస్పిటల్లో రాత్రి 10 గంటల టైంలో తీసుకొస్తే వారు ఆక్సిజన్ పెట్టి ఉంచారు. అన్నారు మెయిన్ డాక్టర్ గారు లక్ష్మణ్ సార్ చూసి అన్ని టెస్టులు చెక్ చేసి, మీ అబ్బాయికి చాలా సీరియస్ పొజిషన్గా ఉన్నాడు, కొంచెం ఇబ్బందికరంగా ఉంది, మీరు అధైర్యపడకండి అని చెప్పి నన్ను కాస్త ధైర్యపెట్టి, అలాగే దానికి ఖర్చు కూడా విపరీతంగా అవుతుందని చెప్పండి, ఎక్స్ అనేది భరించాలంటే ఆయన కూడా దానికి ఒక దారిని కూడా చూపించి డోనర్స్ అందరూ కూడా ఏర్పాటు చేసి, మీ అబ్బాయిని మీకు 21 రోజులు నా దగ్గర ఉంచితే మీకు ధైర్యంగా ఆరోగ్యంతో మీకు అప్పు చెబుతానని చెప్పి నాకు మాట ఇచ్చారు. అదే ఆ మాట ప్రకారంగా నాకు నిజంగా దేవుడి లోపల వచ్చి నాకు అలాగే డోనర్స్ రూపంలో కూడా ఆయన నాకు దారి చూపించి మా అబ్బాయిని ఈరోజు ఆరోగ్యంగా మాకు చెప్పారు. అలాగే వినయ్ సార్ కూడా రోజు 2 పూట్ల కూడా ఏ రోజుకు ఏం జరుగుతుంది, ఏమిటి మీ అబ్బాయి ఎంత బాగున్నాడు, ఏంటి మైనస్లో ఏంటి ప్లస్ అని చెప్పి రోజు కూడా 2 పూట్ల సార్ దగ్గర కూడా పిలిచి ఈ మెడిసిన్స్ ఇలా బాగా రెస్పాండ్ అవుతున్నానని చెప్పి అన్ని రకాలుగా నాకు సహకరించి ఈరోజు నా కొడుకుని నేను సాధారణ బ్రాహ్మణ కుటుంబంలో ఉన్నానని కొడుకుని నిజంగా ఆయనకి నేను మనసారా కాడు ముక్కు చెప్పుకుంటున్నానండి. నా కొడుకు ఈరోజు బతుకున్నాడంటే ఆయన యొక్క చలవే. ఆయన నిజంగా నా తండ్రి కంటే పైన కూడా నాకు ధైర్యంగా చెప్పి నా కొడుకుని ఇంట్లో అందిస్తున్నాను. చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉందండి.
Yeah, I thank my colleague Dr. Vinay. I thank all our nursing team, the hospital management, and I really appreciate the father for understanding the gravity of the situation. He was very cooperative and understanding. And lastly, I would like to thank all the donors who have come forward and liberally who have contributed for the successful outcome of this case. Thanks everyone.